Hello everybody, Gavin at Audio Boffins. Today introducing a lovely new product from Audison. This is their active 10-inch subroof enclosure. It's called the APBX 10AS. It's a flat seal box, really compact in size and very feature rich. Looks good all round. Runs a 400 watt RMS amplifier. It's a dual voice core woofer. Each coil is 0.032 ohms, paralleled down to 0.16 ohm using a Class D amplifier. It's got quick connects on the side there, so very easy to remove from your vehicle in a rush if you need to. Also got the feet for mounting it on the floor, great for Volkswagens, things like that. This one's actually going into a Range Rover Sport, and it's going to fit in the left-hand rear quarter panel, so you won't actually see it. But using this handy knob, you'll be able to turn the bass up and down from the front of the vehicle as you wish. It's got bass boost, low pass, gain, phase, auto turn on, so it can accept high leveling and RCA inputs. It has the ability of having some of the features turned off, so if you want to use it via a DSP like we're going to be doing via a Audison 8.9 Prima amplifier, whilst it's amplified by this, all of the brains, the cleverness, etc. is going to be controlled by the DSP. So it's great as a standalone item, but also as an item that you can integrate into a full sort of digital sound process system and create some really superb depth of sound. We'll do another video when it's installed in the vehicle, which hopefully will be finished tomorrow, so keep your eyes peeled on that. And for now, thanks for watching.